let's make the most delicious, easy mixed fruit SAGO drink. You're just going to need a couple fresh fruits like mango. You want to cut it into cubes or bite size. You're going to need some banana. Slice it. Cut it into little halves. Put tapioca pearls. Some green grapes, slice those up. You want to have some whole raspberries. You're going to fill a big bowl with ice. You're going to add your raspberries, mango, banana, green grapes, and that tapioca pearls. Add condensed milk and your milk of choice. I like to use plant milk. You could use evaporated milk or any kind of milk you like. Mix it up gently and put it in a tall glass and enjoy. That's mixed fruit SAGO.